Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Ucom controller. First, connect your controller to your computer using the provided USB cable. If your controller is wireless or battery-powered, make sure it's fully charged or has fresh batteries and is turned on. Your computer should automatically recognize the new hardware. This initial connection is crucial for the next steps in getting your controller ready for use. Next, you might need to install specific drivers. Visit the Ucom manufacturer's official website and locate the support section for your controller model. Download the recommended drivers and follow the on-screen instructions for installation. Some drivers may require you to restart your computer to complete the setup. This step ensures optimal performance and compatibility with your games. Now, let's configure your controller. Access your operating system's game controller settings or a dedicated Ucom utility. Here, you can calibrate the joysticks and triggers to ensure precise input. You can also customize button assignments to match your preferred gameplay style. Take your time to adjust these settings for a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. Finally, it's time to test your Ucom controller. Open a game or a controller testing application to confirm all inputs are working as expected. Check each button, joystick, and trigger for proper functionality. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections and driver installation. Many common problems have simple solutions found in the controller's manual or online support resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.